In this video, we're going to look at how to split documents. This is an essential setting in Postalocity. When you upload a PDF file with multiple mail pieces in it, of the same layout in one file. It is important that page splits are set, because if they are not, Postalocity will send one large mail piece with all the pages to a single address. In this first example, we will split a file that contains multiple one-page notices. Click the Split this PDF button. For single-page PDFs, you have two options. You can either select Always or by page. If you select Always, it will split every page. If you select by page, click the yellow up button to 1. This is also the selection if you have 2, 3, or even more pages in every single mail piece. For this example, we will select every one page. Now let's look at a set of statements that some have one page and some have 2 pages. To properly split this document, we need to select some text that is only on the first page and is never on any additional pages in the same spot. This will tell Postalocity when to split into a new mail piece. On this one, I can identify 2 different areas that are on the first page only and are always the same. One is at the top of the page. It says Statement Date. The other area is at the bottom, where it says Page 1 of 1 or Page 1 of 2. Either one of these should work for page splitting. You'll have to find static text on your particular documents. Let's go ahead and close this window and click Split this PDF. To use text for splitting pages, let's select on Text Match. The statement date is text that never changes and is always in the same place on the document. So we're going to use a pretty precise way for this example. Keep it on equals, then type in statement date, where it says text to match here. Now we have to show Postalocity where this text is. So click Select Zone next to Capture Zone. This takes you to a new screen. Let's highlight all of statement date and nothing else. Then click on Capture Selected Text to verify Postalocity is extracting the text properly. Well, in this example, since the semicolon is so close, it is also grabbing a semicolon. We will need to add it to match. Once you have verified that the text is pulling correctly, click Save and Close. Add the semicolon behind statement date and save. Now let's look at a different way to accomplish this using the text Page 1 of 1 or Page 1 of 2 at the bottom of the pages. Let's go in and change it. Open Split this PDF again, but this time let's select Contains instead of Equals. Then let's change it to Page 1 of. Now let's move the recognition zone. This time let's select the whole area. And we're not going to need to be precise because we are only looking for if it contains the text, Page 1. We are not going for the exact match. On Page 2, it says Page 2 of 2, so Postalocity will not split on that page. You have now set splitting on this document. It is ready to select different settings or ready to process this job. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to helpdesk at broadstroking.com.